here in my garage. You know what I like more than these cars over here? Respecting Wayman.
Do you respect Wayman as well? Then please leave a like on this video.
What is up, guys? We are starting this day a little early today, and what I got here are some test pipes we're gonna throw in. I bought these literally about 30 minutes ago, and the previous owner did not know what kind of test pipes these were, so we'll just call them eBay test pipes. I'm hoping they're Burke, but I don't know if it says anything on there. I already looked, but no luck anyways. And I downloaded this MGMT album. Super excited to listen to that. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the car in the garage right now to throw them in. Alright, switching over to the GoPro. We'll go underneath the car. So right here there are 3 bolts. They're 14 millimeter, I believe, that go bolt onto the stock cat, and over here there are 2 14 millimeter bolts that bolt onto the exhaust. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those. The tricky one is actually the one on the top. You need like a super long extension just to reach it, so you have to reach from above, and that's why I have to remove the stock airbox. You guys will see that. Alright, so like I said, there's a 14 millimeter bolt, and yeah, this is 17 inches worth of extensions. Damn! So I sprayed some PB Blaster on the top bolt, so hopefully I don't strip it, but cross my fingers. Alright, the top nut is removed. Now there's 2 more, one on the top and one right here. This one is actually missing a bolt. And you also have to remove this transmission support. There are 4 bolts, one right here, one on the opposite side, and also 2 right here. These are all 14 millimeters. So, and then also these O2 sensors, you have to remove them, but I'm gonna be throwing them on the test pipes. Alright, I got the catalytic converter off, this huge bulky one, and now I'm gonna replace it with the test pipe. I removed the O2 sensor, which is right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in. I used some air intake cleaner for the O2 sensor. I'm not sure if you could do that, but I did it anyway, and I'm just gonna go ahead and thread this in and throw it back in the car, and then the same exact thing on the opposite side. Alright, so I ended up going to the store to pick up some extra hardware, because the test pipes do not have the added bolt to it. So I do not know what size these are, but just big enough so that they can fit over both flanges and get bolted in. And I bought enough for both sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and bolt them in right now.
Hard to work for nothing.
Look who shut up.
What's up, guys? What up, though?
So what ended up happening to your transmission?
Second and third gear took a shit. I took out the gears. We're about to get another transmission. Sealed it up, and it still leaks oil or gear oil.
Why though?
Cause I don't know how to work on cars.
Same.
I
don't know what I'm doing, dude.
You have a tattoo?
Yeah.
Since when?
Since I was born, dude. I came out like this.
Oh shit. So you're like a number 3?
Number 3?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on, Rocky. You can do it.
I just get to hang out and let you work on your car. But okay.
Or we could probably get it from the top. Hey, use a PB blaster. Where's that PB blaster?
Yeah.
PB blaster.
Or you can use this longer 14 and this might even help you with more leverage. Dude, you just had it.
I think you're laying on it. Yeah.
That's why. That's why we can't do it. It says pitch.
Pittsburgh?
Yeah, it doesn't say macro or snap on.
Dude, Pittsburgh has never let me down.
It has to me. I've broken a good amount.
Harbor Freight for the win.
I prefer Husky.
Oh, you like them husky?
Yeah. But don't tell anyone.
Alright, I don't know if you guys have this where you live, but we have a metal guy that drives around the neighborhood and just picks up all the scrap metal and stuff. Let me know down below if you guys have this guy around. This is the homie right here. Alright, Rocky came to help out, and everything is all bolted up, the airbox, and the test pipes are in. Also the O2 sensors. And we're gonna give you guys a cold start. But yeah, that's freaking loud.